Okay, first, red or black? Oh, I'm thinking of a card. Red or black?
Okay, you're thinking of a card, and I'll say red.
Red. Okay, great. So we'll throw away red. Okay, great. Now, do you want a face card or do you want numbers cards?
Numbers card.
Numbers cards? Okay, great. We'll throw those away too. And so you want a black face card. Do you want king or jack?
Jack.
You want, really?
Yes.
Okay, so throw jack away. So what are you left with?
Black king?
Yes. Okay, it was so much better at the school. 1 second.
Come on, this is what I'm talking about. This is.
This is called the magician's choice. It doesn't matter which option they choose, you will always lead them to your prediction. Let me show you an example. So I'm going to make a prediction over here, which is, let me use the jack of spades for this one as our prediction. I'm going to put it under the box. Now I'm going to need you to name one, number cards or the picture cards. Let's say you say number cards. I'm going to say perfect. Now it's time for me to eliminate the number cards. And now we are left with the picture cards, which are the kings, the jacks, and the queens. So name one. Let's say you pick the kings. I'm gonna say I am eliminating the kings, just like that. Let's say you pick the jacks, for example. I know that my prediction is a jack. Instead of eliminating the jacks, I'm gonna say, are you sure you're picking the jacks? You're gonna say yes, because it is a psychology by the way. So I'm gonna say, okay, perfect. Now we are left with the jacks. We're gonna eliminate the queens. Just like that. You will always get it right. There's no way you can get this wrong, guys. It is very easy. Any choice that they make, you should always lead them to your prediction. It doesn't matter which choice they make, by the way. Subscribe for more magic tutorials. Let me know which trick you want to learn next in the comment section.